What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to the channel. My name is Michael, and I hope you are having an awesome day. More floor today. This time it's the Sound of the Wind, the Final Fantasy Chronicles. Man, I had reacted to Floor. She had done a cover of Frozen. I was asking, why is she not in more movies? And you guys let me know that there are some mashups that, different people have made of her. And she also was, in this mashup of the Final Fantasy Chronicles. You recommended that I check it out, and guess what? We are checking out today. Super excited to check it out. She's such a talented artist, and it's so cool to see mashups. Drop a like. Let's go. Ooh. Just kidding. It's a cut. It's not a mashup. Where is it?
Dreaming of the stars on high that speak to me in sacred sights, drifting on a breeze only I can feel and hear.
I get chills when she sings sometimes. Like right now, I'm getting chills. These guys are getting chills too. She is overpowering. So the other lady's voice is like right here. Floor's way up here. She's literally overpowering this lady's voice. And it's so cool to see her in an element of like an orchestra. It's a different, unique element. I mean, everybody in the orchestra is just jamming out and having a good time. But like I said, this lady down here, Floor. I'm close. So I mean, right off the bat, I gotta say is, why is she not in more movies? Like this wasn't with her, performing with an orchestra, and it it was so natural. It really flowed, and like I said, she really overpowered that other lady. And they were singing together in the orchestra. It really elevated her voice. Now, this was kind of more it wasn't like live or like professional or anything. It almost seemed like she kind of just showed up in a sense and, hey guys, I'm here. Let's go. Let's do a song and be fun. But still, even if that's the case, or even if it wasn't the case, it was still an awesome performance. And she needs to be in more movies doing soundtracks of different songs. Like, I just don't understand why she's not. you know. But anyways, unique performance to say the least. I mean, seriously, one of the biggest things about Nightwish that I like is the variety of different musical styles. You're not going to get the same song every single song. It's going to be a different variety, and then you get a multi-talented artist like Floor who's able to do different styles of music combining. It just adds so much variety, adds so much elements, and you just have so much flexibility in the music that you're able to make. But anyways, hope you guys are doing awesome out there, having a good time. Life's getting crazy. But anyways, for me, always stay healthy, stay happy, and have a blessed day.